bullet journal. In my other videos, I have introduced you to what is a bullet journal and also what are the supplies that you would need to get started. When people are getting started with a bullet journal, it is hard to understand exactly how to set up a journal. The flexibility of the bullet journal method can seem daunting to someone who is just getting started. When you have too many options, it is easier to procrastinate and do nothing at all. How to get beyond that first page, frighten and set up yourself for success in your bullet journaling journey. Okay. Now, after you purchase your notebook, it is good to have some good supplies for your journal setup. Now, if you already have the supply, then gather everything you need and let's start. So, what are the essential tools? These are aside from the notebook, of course, these are the pens. You should also have your ruler, eraser. You may also use washi tape, stickers, and stencils. There are some other tools you like to use or need, but these are the basics to grab for now. Okay? Now, when you start working on different pages, you will decide then if more needs to be used. As a beginner, we may not know yet what will be the best. Okay? But for now, we're gonna go to the general step-by-step setup of a bullet journal. Let's get started. Now, it is time to set your bullet journal keys and index. The bullet journal key or bujo keys are essential for rapid logging. For the bullet journal index, this will help you find your content over time. Some notebooks already come with this page pre-printed. Okay, you may start your bullet journal with a theme or a personal page. Perhaps it could be a quote. Since I'll be doing for the month of December and it's a Christmas holiday, I thought of a Christmas holiday theme for this month. And I mentioned a quote which is, "It's the most wonderful time of the year." Now that you are ready with the standard setup bullet journal pages, we will follow the monthly calendar for the current month. In this part, you will be able to log birthdays and anniversaries, or other appointments and events for the near future that you already know about, but don't have your weekly spreads to add them yet. Now, for my bullet journal monthly setup, I started with a monthly cover page. Here, you don't necessarily need one, but I love the feeling of a new start, and I also change monthly themes. Okay, so for my monthly calendar spread, this will be for the most important task and appointments of the month. Normally, we put the goals for the month in to-do list. But for this one, since it's a holiday season, I will put my Christmas planning and bucket list since I will be home for this holiday and looking forward to a lot of happenings and events with my family. Now, for the custom bullet journal collections. Basically, anything you want to track this month. And for this one, I would like actually to track my YouTube growth, YouTube video, and bullet journal ideas. Will probably also include my finance tracker. I know that there would be a lot of expenses for this month, which I'm afraid so. That is why I may need to keep track of the budget. I would also include my habit tracker, mood tracker. Would also put my sleep log, since for the past weeks I am not getting enough sleep, and of course the gratitude log, which I am looking forward for a lot of things to be grateful for during this month and year as well. Probably I was thinking to end my 2019 with this gratitude log. Okay guys, so here is the flip through of my December 2019 monthly setup. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by, and I hope to see you again on my next videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and you may also hit that bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new videos. See you again guys on my next videos. Bye.